So here we are back with our lining. This is the flesh side where we've drawn where we need to make our opening. This is the inside of the bag, the grain side here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a ruler and a craft knife, and I'm going to cut the central part first. So once everything's lined up, take your knife and pull straight along from one side to the other. And then we're going to finish off this little tab here. So I'm going to freehand cut that from one side right to the corner, getting it nice and tight. Same on the other side. And then just verify that everything's opened up. And to facilitate an easier fold, what I'm going to do is just take a hot single crease and then just follow that line with a good amount of pressure. And this is going to facilitate folding a lot easier. You'll be able to find your line. Add a little bit more heat if you're not using an electric creaser. Same on the other side. And as it loses heat, you can just start to slow down. And now I can take some contact adhesive and then just apply it quite liberally on the back there. And then just give that a few minutes to dry. And to fold over the long section here, what I like to do is just grab a couple pattern weights and hold down a steel ruler. And that way, although we have somewhere where you can actually feel the fold, it just helps to have something to aim for as you turn over. And then just work your way along and then pressing down right in front of the ruler. The ends here, we can simply just fold them back and press them down. Now we're going to switch sides. When you're satisfied, hammer the point home. Now, to make things a little bit simpler, to glue this temporarily before we stitch it to the zip and the zip reinforcement, I'm not actually going to use glue, I'm going to use a double-sided adhesive tape. So this is a strong permanent adhesive. Let's open up and take a look inside. And what you'll notice is a double turned edge. So we have a turned edge here, which is the lining, and a turned edge on the inside, which is the pocket.